Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden center. Today we are in B&M, local to me. You can actually see a couple new things here. We've got the yucca stem here, 35 pounds. You can see some damage on the top, but very good deal for a size of that. Now this one is down to -2 degrees C, it says. So again, really not that hardy for the UK. But just as we come down here, guys, one that really surprised me today, one of the new palms. So you can just see here, guys, this is a chamerops volcano. And if you just take a look here, guys, so that's in a 30-liter pot. They've got it down for just 85 pounds, which is, I would say, a pretty good deal for that sort of size palm. The volcanos are a much more tightly packed palm. So if you're looking for something a little more compact for the space, also very hardy, once again, these are a kind of great choice for those sorts of palms. Nice to see that B&M has these in. Again, this year has been sort of the year B&M's got a lot of new stuff in. You know, the Cascadia Palms were in as well. But of course, guys, seeing this in here, just wanted to show you, give you a heads up. If you have a B&M near you, certainly get down, check these out. Another one that came in, guys. Now have a look at this trachy here. The leaves on this are quite a bit shorter and flatter, so again, could be some variation in the trackies that are getting sent to B&M. But just to show you there, you can see, guys, great value for money, I'd say, for that sort of size. Just looking in as well, guys, decent little trunk in there as well. But that was really it for today's video. Just thought I'd let you guys know that, you know, B&M now has these in, so it's your chamerops humilis volcano. So certainly get down, pick up a bargain. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, certainly feel free to do so. Also check out the friends of the channel as well. With that said, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.